Soul of brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of oxygen family. Last class we are discussed about allotropes of oxygen family. In the oxygen family, allotropes of sulfur is very important. That is transformation of chromic sulfur converted into sulfur. In that sulfur 8 and sulfur 6 are non-planar molecule. Sulfur 8 is puckered structure, sulfur 6 is chair form. Vapor state of S2 molecule, that is a paramagnetic nature like O2. Because of there are two unpaired electrons present in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Both S2 and O2 are the paramagnetic nature. This type of question may be asked in the NEET. Another one more point. Selenium and tellurium are used as a photosensitive elements. Next, compounds of sulfur. Compounds of sulfur are SO2, SO3 and sulfuric acid. SO2 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent, reducing agent, bleaching agent. Structure of SO2. SO2 exhibit sp2 hybridization, geometry planar, shape bend or V shape. Bond angle is 119.5 degree. Bond length of sulfur and oxygen is 143 picometer. Here, lone pair repulsion between lone pair and bond pair. Structure of SO3. It is also exhibit sp2 hybridization. Geometry is a planar structure. SO2 and SO3 both are used as a sp2 hybridization, but one more different. SO2 form the only one P by D by multiple bond, and SO3 form two types of P by T by multiple bond. This type of question may be asked the NEET examination. Now we are discuss about uses of SO2. SO2 used in bleaching hair, silk, wool, straw. It is also used for disinfectant for microorganisms like germs, fungi, certain molds from plants in agriculture. SO2 used as a solvent for dissolving number of organic and inorganic chemicals. Liquid SO2 used as a refrigerant. Another one more important point, SO2 used for manufacture of sulfuric acid, calcium bisulfate, sodium metabisulfate. These are used for the preservative. Another one more compound. Compounds of sulfur is oxyacids of sulfur. Oxyacids of sulfur is sulfuric acid. Formula H2SO4, also known as king of chemicals. Another name oil of vitriols, because this one obtained from the green vitriol preparation. First one, lead chamber process. Second one, contact process. Next one, from iron pyrites. From green vitriol. From oleum. These are the methods for preparation of sulfuric acid. First method, lead chamber process. Lead chamber process used for manufacture of sulfuric acid. For example, oxidation of SO2 in the presence of NO as a catalyst and form SO3. SO2 react with oxygen to form SO3. Balance equation, here 4 oxygen, here only 3 oxygen, right, 2, here 2. Now is a 6 oxygen, here is a 4, here 2. Equation should be balanced. This one best example for homogeneous catalysis. What is a homogeneous catalysis? Reaction in which reactant and catalyst are same phase. This is known as a homogeneous catalysis. SO3 further dissolving water to form H2SO4. That is a lead chamber process. It is used for manufacture of sulfuric acid. Balance equation, 1 sulfur, 2 hydrogen, common oxygen, here 3, here 1, this is 4 oxygen. Another one, conduct process. Conduct process already discussed. It is also used for manufacture of sulfuric acid, oxidation of SO2 in the presence of vanadium pentoxide, maintain the temperature 450 degrees Celsius and pressure 1200 atm and form SO3. SO3 is what? You dissolve in water to form sulfuric acid. Conduct process is a best example for heterogeneous catalyst. Both lead chamber process and conduct process used for manufacture of sulfuric acid. Another one from iron pyrite. Iron pyrite formula FeS2. This undergo oxidized to formation of Fe2O3 plus SO2. SO2 further react with the oxygen to form SO3. SO3 dissolve in water to form sulfuric acid. This method, best method for the preparation of sulfuric acid. Balance equation, here 2 iron, here 2, sulfur is a 2, here 2. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Here 4, 7. Odd number not at the balance. So even number 4. Here 2 times. How many sulfur? 4 sulfur. 8. So 8 times. How many oxygen? 16 plus 6, 22. Here 11. 11 into 2, 22. So both sides atoms are balanced. This method, it is used to manufacture of sulfuric acid. Another method from green vitriol. Next method, that is a green vitriol. Formula for green vitriol, FeSO4 taught 7 times of water. This undergo distilled over formation of Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus H2SO4 plus water. The equation here, common iron, 2 iron, so 2 times, sulfur is a 2 times, here 1, here 1. Another one is a hydrogen is a 14, here 2 over, remaining is what? 6. Common oxygen is here 8, 8 plus 7, 15, here 3, plus 2, 5, plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. Equation should be balanced. By using this method, sulfuric acid can be manufactured. Another from oleum. Formula H2S2O7. How to prepare sulfuric acid from oleum? Fumes of SO3 pass over sulfuric acid to formation of H2S2O7. Balance equation, 2 hydrogen, sulfur 2, here 2, oxygen 7, plus 3 is a plus 4, totally 7. Stretcher, this is a stretcher for oleum, basicity 2. Oleum further is a hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water. How to break this bond? Hydrogen OH. So H2SO4, 2 times of H2SO4 possible. SO4. This one 96% pure. SO3 fumes pass over the concentrated sulfuric acid to form oleum. Oleum, another name, anhydrous sulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid. This further treated with the water to form concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is what percentage? 96% pure. These are the methods for preparation of sulfuric acid. What are the method? Lead chamber process, contact process from iron pyrite and green vitriol, finally is from oleum. Next, physical properties of sulfuric acid. Physical property, point number 1. Sulfuric acids are colorless viscous liquid. It forms the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Sulfuric acid, it forms the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, that is associated intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Any compound it forms the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it exhibits high boiling point. About 590 Kelvin and high viscosity. Another point, concentrated sulfuric acid about 98.3% and it has specific gravity 1.84 at 298 Kelvin. Sulfuric acid is highly soluble in water and highly corrosive and burns on skin due to dehydration of skin. Another point, sulfuric acid greater affinity with water as hydrates. That is H2SO4 water, H2SO4 dot 2 times of water, H2SO4 dot 3 times of water, H2SO4 dot 4 times of water. Sulfuric acid formed as a hydrate. Another one more point. Sulfuric acid dissolve in water and form larger amount of heat produced. This known as exothermic reaction. This type of question may be asked in 1 mark. These are the physical property. Another one is a chemical property. First one, dissociation. Second one, acidic nature. Third one, oxidizing agent. Another one, reaction with metal. Next one, reaction with salts. Reaction with organic compounds. Next, dehydration. Another one, reaction with PCl5. Last one, precipitation reaction. These are the chemical properties of sulfuric acid. Totally how many? 9. First one, dissociation, acidic nature. Because of sulfuric acid is a basicity 2. Basicity 2 means it forms the 2 series of salt. Another one is oxidizing agent. Sulfuric acid produce nascent oxygen. This one react with non-metal and iodide. Another one reaction with metals. Sulfuric acid react with metal, either is a diluted or concentrated. Reaction with the salt. What are the salt? Bicarbonate, carbonate, chloride, fluoride salt react with the sulfuric acid and form the corresponding salt and acids. Next, reaction with the organic compound. This reaction known as a sulfonation reaction. Another one is a dehydration. Sulfuric acid greater affinity with the water. It acts as a powerful dehydrating agent. Next, reaction with PCl5. Sulfuric acid react with PCl5 to form sulfuryl chloride. Another one is a precipitation reaction. This one important. Test for sulfate and sulfuric acid. Among that, reaction with the organic compound and precipitation reaction is very important. How to discuss one by one. First, chemical property, dissociation. Vapors of sulfuric acid dissociated at 444 degrees Celsius and form SO3 plus H2O. Balance equation, hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur is a 4 oxygen. Next one, chemical property, acidic nature. This one is structure of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid exhibit plus 6 oxygen state. Here is what? Basicity 2. Basicity means number of replaceable hydrogen. In this structure, how many hydrogen replace? 2 hydrogen. So basicity 2. Basicity 2 means it forms the 2 types of salt. H2SO4 react with NaOH. H2SO4 acidic nature, that is acid, react with base to formation of salt plus water. This is a formula. Whatever may be any equation, first conclude the formula. That is why I understood the equation. Otherwise, is a inorganic and organic equation of volatile nature easily evaporated. So here, sulfuric acid acidic nature react with NaOH to form salt. First, one hydrogen can be easily replaced and OH group. Formation of NaHSO4 plus water. This one name sodium bisulfate, acidic salt. Sulfuric acid again react with the excess of NaOH. Two hydrogen can be replaced to formation of Na2SO4 plus water. How many sodium? 2 sodium. So 2 times of water. This one normal salt. One more question may be asked. In the acidic nature of sulfuric acid, what is the basicity? Basicity 2. Basicity 2 mean which one is acidic salt, which one is a normal salt. First one is acidic salt because of presence of hydrogen. Next one is a normal salt, so sodium sulfate. Is a 2 types of salt. First one is acidic salt, another one is a normal salt. Next property. Oxidizing property. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid, moderate oxidizing property. This one decomposes will give SO2 plus water plus nascent oxygen. Oxygen. Balance equation, how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 4 oxygen. Here 2, here 1, 3 is a 4 oxygen. For example, carbon, sulfur or phosphorus. These all are react with the sulfuric acid. That is a concentrated sulfuric acid. And form SO2 plus water, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide. These are the equation. Carbon, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen. Here 2, here 1 is what? 3, 3 plus 2, 5. For SO2 react with oxygen. Okay. How many hydrogen here? 4 oxygen. Here 2, here 1. So equation not balanced. So 2 times. Here 2 times. 2 sulfur. How many oxygen? 8 oxygen. Here 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Here carbon oxygen state 0. Here carbon oxygen state plus 4. Oxygen state increases. This process what? Oxidizing process. This acts as a reducing agent. This acts as a oxidizing agent. So constant sulfuric acid powerful oxidizing agent in the oxidizing property. Another one more. Halide like HIR. HBr react with the sulfuric acid, that is a concentrated sulfuric acid converted into SO2 plus water plus iodine. Balance equation here, how many iodine? 2 iodine, here 1, 2 times. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, here 2. Common oxygen, 4 oxygen, here 2, here 1, 4. Here, iodide oxygen state -1, this iodine oxidate 0. Oxidation number increases. This process known as oxidation, but this acts as a reducing agent. This one acts as a oxidizing agent. These are the example for oxidizing property of sulfuric acid. Another one, reaction with the metal. For examples, metal react with dilute sulfuric acid. What is the formula? Salt plus liberation of hydrogen gas. This is a formula. Whatever may be any metal, copper, zinc, iron, aluminium, whatever may be any metal, react with dilute acid. Here is a diluted, very important. Produce the hydrogen gas. For example, zinc react with the H2SO4 diluted. Zinc plus 2 oxygen state, SO4 minus, that is a 2 minus oxidate, both are combined to form zinc sulfate and liberation of hydrogen gas. These are the best example for metal react with dilute acid. Another one, chemical property, metal react with the concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the formula? Metal react with H2SO4, that is a concentrated. Formula, salt plus SO2 as a gas plus water. These are the formula for metal react with concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the formula for metal react with dilute sulfuric acid? Dilute sulfuric acid will give salt and hydrogen only. Concentrated sulfuric acid, salt plus SO2 plus water. Concentrated nitric acid, NO2 plus water. This is a major difference between nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Both are same formula. For example, copper react with H2SO4, that is a concentrated. What is the salt? Copper valency +1 and +2. Here +1, among the +1 and +2 is a more stable. So copper exhibit +2 oxygen state, SO4 minus is a 2 minus oxygen state, formula CuSO4, and produce SO2 as a gas plus water. Common copper, only 1 copper. Common sulfur, here 2 sulfur, so here 2 times. Common hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, here 2 times. Common oxygen, here 8 oxygen, here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Equation should be balanced. Whatever may be any, copper or zinc or aluminium. But a copper does not react with the dilute sulfuric acid. Why? Because copper is a weak reducing agent, cannot displace the hydrogen from dilute acid. Another important point, note. Noble metal, silver, gold, PT. This one react with the sulfuric acid, there is no product. Constant sulfuric acid does not react with the noble metal because these are weak reducing agent, cannot displace the hydrogen. One more question may be asked. What are the metal does not react with the concentrated sulfuric acid? Silver, Au, another one Bt. This metal does not react with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Another one, reaction with salt. Carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfides, sulfite, thiosulfate, and nitrite. All salt decompose with dilute sulfuric acid and form corresponding salt. This type of question may be asked in the 1 mark. Reaction with the salt. So sulfuric acid may be diluted and concentrated. Dilute sulfuric acid decompose with carbonate, bicarbonates, sulfide, sulfite, thiosulfate. Another one is a nitrate. Will give the corresponding salt. For example, first one, carbonates. Formula Na2SO3. This name sodium sulfate. That is sodium carbonate. CO3. Na2CO3. Here is the first one is a carbonate. So sodium carbonate. Sodium valency 1. Carbonate valency -2. So cross multiplication. This react with the sulfuric acid. What sulfuric acid? Dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid decompose with all the salt will give the corresponding salt. Na2SO4. Plus water plus carbon dioxide as a gas. Carbonate, bicarbonate, sulfide, sulfite, thiosulfate, nitrite decompose with the dilute sulfuric acid to form the corresponding salt. The salt name is sodium sulfate. Water, carbon dioxide produced. Whenever whatever may be any compound which containing the CO3, which produce carbon dioxide gas. Balance equation here Na2, only one carbon, common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, common oxygen, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Equation should be balanced. Another one more. Here nitrite, carbonate, bicarbonate, sulfide, sulfite, thiosulfate, nitrate. This one example for sodium nitrite react with the sulfuric acid, that is a dilute sulfuric acid. Sodium react with the sulfate, Na2SO4. Hydrogen produce water, NO2 plus NO. Balance equation. Common sodium, here 2 sodium, here is what? Only 1 sodium, so 2 times. Common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. Common nitrogen is a 2 nitrogen. Common oxygen 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Here 4, 5, 7, 8. Equation should be balanced. These two are best example for salt react with the dilute sulfuric acid. Another one is salt react with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Chlorides, fluorides, acetate, nitrate, and oxalates. This all salt decompose with the concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, concentrated to form corresponding acid. These are the formula. It's a very important reaction with the salt. There are two types of salt. Salt react with the dilute acid will give the corresponding salt. Salt react with the concentrated acid will give the corresponding acid. What is the formula for salt react with the concentrated sulfuric acid? Chloride, fluoride, acetate, nitrate and oxalate. These are decomposed with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form corresponding acid. For example, sodium chloride react with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form Na2SO4 plus HCl. This is a corresponding acid. This name sodium chloride react with the concentrated sulfuric acid and form the sodium sulfate plus acid. Balance equation. Here how many sodium? One sodium. Here two times. How many chlorine is a 2 chlorine is a 2 times. How many hydrogen is a 2 hydrogen. 1 sulfate is a 1 sulfate. Salt plus acid. Another one example. This one react with H2SO4 concentrated to formation of CaSO4 plus hydrogen react with the fluoride to form HF. Is acid. Corresponding acid obtained from the calcium fluoride react with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form salt plus HF. Here how many have sodium? So 1 sodium, 1 sodium, 1 sulfate, but 2 hydrogen is a 2 times. Another one example. This one example for sodium oxalate. This one example for calcium fluoride. This one example for sodium chloride. React with the sulfuric acid H2SO4. Sulfate react with the sodium Na2SO4 plus oxalic acid COOH. This name sodium sulfate. This one oxalic acid. These are the method for metal react with both dilute acid and concentrated acid. Let us recap the compounds of sulfur. First, uses of SO2. Uses of SO2 used as a bleaching hair, straw, silk and wool. SO2 used for manufacture of sulfuric acid. Another one is a compounds of sulfur, that is oxyacid of sulfur. Oxyacid of sulfur is the best example. Concentrated sulfuric acid is also known as king of chemical. In ancient time, it is called as oil of vitriol because of this component obtained from the green vitriol. Preparation. What are the preparation of sulfuric acid? Lead chamber process, contact process, from iron pyrite, from green vitriol and oleum. These are the preparation of concentrated sulfuric acid. Another one is a property. First property, physical property. Physical property is a very important properties are sulfuric acid, it form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, that is associated intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It exhibit a high boiling point about 590 Kelvin and highly viscous. Concentrated sulfuric acid about 98.3% and specific gravity 1.84 at 298 Kelvin. Sulfuric acid is a powerful, is a corrosive and produce burns on skin. Another one, sulfuric acid dissolved in water produce larger amount of heat. This example for exothermic reaction. Another one is a chemical property, dissociation, acidic nature, oxidation property, reaction with metals. Remaining discuss next class. Here organic compound is a volatile nature. How to practice the equation regularly and get highest mark. Good luck.